Welcome to Archer's Mill. This is Ormond Beach's most exciting new community. Today I'm going to show you our next generation Camden model. I know you're absolutely going to love this. This community here is going to offer pickleball, clubhouse, pool, it's gated. We're even going to have an RV boat storage area for you. Follow me this way. I can't wait to show you this model. Hi everyone, this is Chris Hausman with D.R.Horton. Today I'm going to show you our Camden model. This home is going to be 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms with a 3-car garage. This is our next gen home. Over here to my right we've got 2 guest bedrooms with a Jack and Jill bathroom. To my left we've got the in-law suite, which I'm going to show you in just a minute. Out here we've got your formal dining room with tray ceilings. This space you could easily convert if you needed a 5th bedroom in the house also. Opening up into your living room, again, tray ceilings. You're gonna notice all of the windows in this space, letting in a ton of natural light. Kitchen, of course, everything you see is gonna be standard. Quartz counters, 42-inch cabinetry with the crown molding. You've got a nice big corner pantry. This space is designed to entertain. If you like hosting the holidays, this is perfect. You've also got a kitchen nook over here to my right, and then follow me into your primary bedroom. This master bedroom, lots of space. Again, tray ceilings. No matter what kind of furniture you have, big or small, it will fit it. And then I love the windows. This home's got a ton of windows, which again just makes it light and bright and airy. As you come into your master bathroom, you're gonna notice you've got a garden tub here to my right. You've got a shower, and then it's got a fantastic walk-in closet. This home is probably exactly what you're looking for. My name's Chris. Please come out and let me give you a tour. Thank you. Now to the best part. I'm going to show you the in-law suite. We've got a half bathroom here for when guests come through. Big laundry room, of course. Family this size, you're going to need it. Door to the left, that would be your 3-car garage, but follow me this way. So in this space here, you've got a full living room, kitchenette for when the family comes or if the in-laws move in with you, cabinetry with the crown molding. The only thing you would need here is a refrigerator, so just keep that in mind. But come on into the 2nd master bedroom. This is plenty of room for the in-laws. Nice big master. We've already got their bathroom set up with a walk-in shower. And then of course they have a nice walk-in closet as well.